Well, a lot of your bigger countries today are crumbling and falling apart. The United States, the United Kingdom, the Russian Federation. And there are stories that, in spite of all of its financial success, China is rotting from the inside as well because the people there are being worked to death. This is a recurrent theme down throughout history. Empires rise and fall. Then new empires rise. So it may look like the end of the world, but it's not. It's just the latest chapter. Something else will something else will emerge.